How quickly will my home sell is a question I get asked all the time from sellers, and I get it. The market climate is what's actually going to determine how quickly your home will sell. After being involved in hundreds of transactions here in Colorado Springs and surrounding areas, I get asked this question all the time. I'm Ramona Williams, Realtor and owner at the Springs Home Team with Keller Williams Partners. How long will it take you to sell your Fountain 80817 or 80925 home, your Peyton 80831 home, or how long will it take to sell your Colorado Springs 80920 home? In a hot market where there's a limited inventory, meaning there's more buyers and homes to purchase, you can actually expect your home to sell in just a few days. Although I would highly recommend for allowing the home to get proper marketing time, so you get the most amount of offers with the very best terms. Anytime someone tells me they sold their home in just one day, I cringe because I know that probably means they left money on the table. Now it's a little different than that right now with everything that's going on in the market. Because of the circumstances of our economy, you might want to look at offers as they come in. But again, the market climate and what's happening always determines if you should allow more marketing time. If there are more homes on the market than buyers, then you can expect a longer time for the home to actually sell. We can discuss the timing and how quickly we feel your home will sell when we meet. It's really important to look at absorption rate in terms of pricing. Absorption rate is a term most commonly used in the real estate market to evaluate the rate at which homes are sold in a specific market during a given period of time. It's calculated by taking an average number of sales per month divided by the total number of available homes. According to Investopedia, a seller's market would have an absorption rate that equals more than 20%, and a buyer's market would have an absorption rate that is actually lower than 15%. However, I personally believe that those numbers are a bit too vast, and right now in today's market, if we see a home taking longer than 34 days to sell, then it's usually overpriced. As always, I am Ramona Williams with the Springs Home Team, and I will continue showing you the way home.